A three-member bench of the country's Supreme Court has approved the PTI chief Imran Khan's petition challenging amendments made to the country's accountability laws. Pakistan's top court, by majority of 2-1, declared that the former Prime Minister's plea challenging amendments to the NAB law was maintainable. Last year in May, the National Assembly had passed bills to abolish election reform and made amendments to the National Accountability Bureau laws. The bills reduced the 4-year term of the NAB chairman and the Bureau's Prosecutor General to 3 years. It stated that regulatory bodies functioning in the country have also been placed out of the NAB's domain. The bills also limited the NAB's jurisdiction to cases involving more than $1.6 million. Imran Khan filed a petition in June last year challenging changes in various provisions of the NAB. After conducting 53 hearings on the former Prime Minister's petition, Pakistan's top court had reserved its verdict on September the 5th. With the Pakistan Supreme Court striking down the amendments to the NAB law, more than 2,000 cases which were closed are now going to be reopened. And this impacts several Pakistani leaders. Let me tell you a few names now. Asif Ali Zardari, Shahid Khaqan Abbasi and Nawaz Sharif, Maryam Nawaz, Yusuf Raza Gilani, to name a few important ones. A 3-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of Pakistan, Bandial, announced the reserved verdict. The Chief Justice of Pakistan was expected to announce a ruling in the case before his retirement. The judgment is said to have far-reaching implications on Pakistani politics. And to talk about Pakistani politics and the turmoil within, let's now go to our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik from Islamabad. Anas, how do you view this judgment of the Supreme Court?
Well, this is very significant of a ruling, Priyanka, for one very reason. Its impact is far-reaching. It is not limited to any political party. It is across the board. Asif Ali Zardari, Nawaz Sharif, Maryam Nawaz, Yusuf Raza Gilani, from the Pakistan People's Party to the Pakistan People's Party as well, and onwards to even the interim or the caretaker Prime Minister. His cases will also be reopened. A total of 2,027 cases will be reopened and 755 inquiries will be reopened as well. The court has instructed the National Accountability Bureau to submit the records before the relevant judiciaries in 7 days' time. Today was the last day of Justice Umar Atta Bandial while being in the court. So a significant ruling there which will have far-reaching implications and consequences on Pakistani politics going forward.
Anas, very quickly, you mentioned consequences on Pakistani politics. Will Nawaz Sharif face these consequences too?
Yes, Nawaz Sharif will face these consequences. It is the same Toshakhana case that has been reopened, the same Toshakhana case in which a former Prime Minister rather, Imran Khan, continues to be in jail. So in case if this case is reopened and there are legal troubles, then his slated return, I think, can be deferred due to these legal troubles. Nawaz Sharif's slated return for the 21st of October can perhaps be deferred, citing these legal obstacles by his team. But then again, it's a bit too early to say on that. Priyanka.
Anas Malik, Pakistan Bureau Chief, thanks so much for joining us at this hour on WION. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.